Would you just look at these headlights? These things are in pretty rough shape. Look at this one. This one's really bad. But that's okay, because today we're gonna fix that. What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be working on my wife's 2013 Lexus GS350. This car's about 8 years old now, and the headlights are definitely starting to show some wear and tear on them. If you look at them, they're starting to get pretty cloudy, right? There's a little bit of discoloration going on. For some reason, they seem to be in worse shape over here towards the top of the headlight rather than on the bottom half, and I think that's because maybe just the sun is just hitting it over here a little bit more. You know, a couple little nicks and dents, but definitely a lot of cloudiness going on with them, and they're definitely starting to fade. We have a little bit of discoloration, but that's not too bad. But all in all, it's definitely time to give these guys a little bit of love. So for this video, I'm going to be using this product right here. It is the Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer. So it claims to make headlights clear again, restores cloudy, yellowed, and dull lenses, easy rub on and off. So we're going to follow the directions on this bottle, and it's basically got 3 steps that you can take on it depending on how bad your headlights are. So I've taken some before pictures of these headlights, and we're going to start off with just the headlight restorer and a microfiber applicator. If that doesn't work or it's not good enough, then I've got more stuff here available to get this done, including a ultra fine polishing pad, 2500 grit sandpaper, polisher, microfiber towels, a bucket of water with a sponge. I'll show you what that's for here in a minute. But before we get started, we're going to tape off around the headlight so that we don't get anything on the paint. Before I get any further into this, I want to give you guys a really good idea of what the haziness is looking like. So that is how cloudy it is. Here, this one has this weird kind of horizontal pattern to it, but this one's in really bad shape. So wanted to give you guys a really good idea of how rough they were looking. Wipe this off a little bit. I would have to say that already looks better. Holy cow. To give you guys an idea of how much of a difference this made, let's get up close to it again. So up here, right on this tiny little strip over here, that's what's underneath the hood. So this part right here almost looks brand new because it just doesn't get exposed to much at all. And if you notice, it's kind of hard to see the difference. I mean, this spot over here already blends in a lot nicer with this. My opinion, that's already working really well. This one was in really bad shape. It had a lot more discoloration and cloudiness than the other headlight, and it's already looking a lot clearer. There's still a couple spots right here. You can see that it's still pretty hazy there. Over here, you can see it better from this angle. But all in all, man, this took years off of those headlights. It really did. And that's just with the microfiber applicator. So far I am pretty impressed. All right, so we're gonna do a second round now. This time I'm gonna go section by section or in small sections at a time. So that's the headlights there after round 2, and they look even better. Not as big of a difference on round 2 as round 1, but the clarity is definitely restored. Let's take a look at this one again. Still a couple spots where the cloudiness is just being a little stubborn, like right there. And over here where we had that weird kind of horizontal pattern. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still barely visible. But still night and day. So if that's all the time that I had, I can honestly take the tape off and call it. That's how well this product is working. But because I'm going for that like new look, I'm gonna go ahead and give these guys a light wet sanding. And so for that, I've got 2500 grit and my bucket of water with a sponge. I'm gonna give this paper a light soaking just for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna give it a really light wet sanding. For that, I'll go through and polish it with the polishing pad using the same product, and hopefully I don't mess these up. I like to use a sponge because, well, for one, it holds water, which is important when you're wet sanding, and also because it allows me to keep even pressure on the sandpaper so that I don't gouge certain spots or sand too deep in certain spots. So I wrap it around just like that, and ta-da! It's also cheap. There's the final results right there. My final thoughts on the Chemical Guys, where are you? Focus, there it is. Headlight Restorer is, yeah man, this stuff works. It actually works really, really well. So if your headlights are looking a little dingy, a little cloudy, and has that kind of yellowish discoloration, I would highly recommend this product. I feel like if you want to get the best use out of this product, or even probably others similar to it, it's really using it more like a tool, and rather than just like a one-stop shop or just quick and easy fix. And what I mean by that is it was a variety of steps that I took in order to get these results. It started off with you know, with the wet sanding and then the polishing, using this product to finish it off. It really all combined made a huge difference. So definitely recommend it. So if you feel like this video helped you out and or you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And also while you're there, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification. All right guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Repeat until headlight is satisfactory. Repeat until headlight is Repeat until headlight is satisfactorily clean.